How you doing? This is Mike Restrepo with Restrepo Innovations, and here's an episode of Restrepo on the Run. Well, the big house. Our customer, long customer of ours, had another huge project going on, and they had another house in the Hamptons that was really going crazy. They were building it out, and they asked us to come here and help them out. So it was kind of a takeover in the beginning, and again, it's that really understanding your customer. The customer was anticipating a Bugatti and they were giving them the Honda, and it was apparent right away, and that's why the customer asked us to come here to really get things in line. And you'll probably be seeing a lot of the photos. The amount of wires that we had to add on to this place was astronomical. And it was crazy because in the beginning, a lot of the people here were like, do we need this many wires? Probably noticing in the rack, the majority of the wires are actually being used. So again, it's like, yeah, we do need these wires and we need all that. And a house like this really goes to show the pivot. Are you ready? Are the parts there that you need to be there so that you can do the job that's anticipated of you? And this job screamed all of it, from elevator that out of nowhere needed a phone cable and no one had thought about that. God bless, we had some spare wires plus conduit, so we had a plan A, B, and C to facilitate that without opening a wall at all. Or some molding hid one of our wires, and we had to decide, do we take apart the wall or do we just forgive the wire? And again, where we maintained other wires, we had other plans, we had a plan A, B, and C, and we were able to pivot, not having to destroy. We worked around the problem and we made it work. And people are happy. They had came, and here's the crazy, we're probably, I don't want to say we're early because that's how you ruin yourself, but we're doing good. The customer came early to the home and they were so excited to see so much progress all over. And again, it's trying to over deliver, under promise, and really get that real taking it home. Well, this is Mike Restrepo with Restrepo on the Run. Catch you at the next big house.